again. 내 이름은 제니야. A red hen is my pet. My red hen is red on the back. My red hen has my pen. I run to get my pen. My red hen runs like a jet. My red hen 뭐지?
Rest
in a net. I love my pet, my red hen.
성공! 하이파이브!